everyone. As we are now in this Niti set, now we are officially going to talk regarding Niti. So Andy sir is here right with me, beside me. So I'm very much glad that I got this again opportunity to come and meet you and talk to you regarding this Niti, actually where the students gets lots of opportunities. So the first question which raised to my mind today is that what made you bring this Niti coaching center here in Dimapur, Nagaland?
You see, Nagaland as such is lacking in particularly science and maths in some ways.
Exactly.
Some of the students feel that this is not my cup of tea. So, 12 years back, when my son was studying in Delhi,
Okay.
he enrolled in Fiji coaching for his JE studies and he was the Nagaland topper in 2016. So that time I realized that this, if it comes to Nagaland, the best of the faculty, IIT and all that, that will be good. So that time only I had set this dream that I will bring a SIP in particular, a school integrated program where class 11 and 12 are taken care of by us, teaching both board's curriculum as well as your coaching. So that way it is cost effective also. Students of Nagaland बाहर जाइले तो आए इमान गरम ना कोटा वाले भी दिल्ली वाले भी सीकर राजस्थान जयपुर एंड ऑल दैट सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट कि नहीं वी शुड ब्रिंग यहाँ पे अगर आएंगे तो आईटीएन फैकल्टी के साथ अगर हम कोचिंग कराएंगे तो बच्चे अच्छा कर पाएंगे उनका जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट है कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी अच्छा होगा स्ट्रेस फ्री लाइक एग्जाम का जो फियर होता है नागालैंड में जनरली है वो हट जाएगा क्योंकि उनको कंसेप्चुअली क्लैरिटी रहेगी तो आराम से आंसर कर पाएंगे पार्टिकुलरली इफ यू सी जो जनरल स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको तो हाई स्कोर करना पड़ता है और इवन अभी जो शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स है ताते भी कंपटीशन तो बेसी आसे तो और ये तो कंपटीशन तो उठी था कि वो बसर थे ना तो करने दे शुड बिकम गुड इन साइंस एंड मैथ्स सो कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी विल कम एंड like they will be able to manage whatever things are required in India, mainland India. So that way I decided कि नहीं, we should bring it over here with the best of the faculty, with the best of the infrastructure, and with all the kind of services that are being provided by the best of the institutes across the country.
So on 10th August they are going to batch the launch of NEET. So anyone willing to take the admission for NEET, visit Niti at Maravipatti, Dimapur, Nagaland. Thank you, viewers. Have a great day.